Okay, good day everyone. We are going to be making throw pillow today. We're going to combine this plain doll face satin with an Ankara print. Okay, so first of all, we're going to take our measurement. Okay, I'm going to make a squared shaped throw pillow. You can make whatever shape you want, the circle, the fruity, love shape, any shape, whichever shape you want. But I'm going to I'm going to use the squared shape here. I'm going to measure the length now. The length is 18 inches of our fabric, okay, and also 18 inches long. So the length and the width of the fabric is of the same size, 18 inches long and 18 inches wide. So you just mark out your points and cut out the fabric. This 18 inches measurement is inclusive of your sewing allowance, so it's going to be smaller than 18 inches when we are actually done sewing. You just cut out your square, 18 inches long and 18 inches wide. Okay, we have our square. Okay, so trim off edges if they are not straight. Ensure you have a straight pattern. Okay, so we can now start to cut the decoration we want to use. We use this pattern fabric. Okay, I'm going to draw the heart shape. If you wish, you can draw whatever shape you want. You can draw Africa shape, you can draw a star, whatever you want. You can just draw whatever you want. I'm making a heart shape because I don't really know how to draw very well, so I'm going just to draw out a heart shape and I'll trim it off. Then I'll put stuffs at the edges so to have matching edges. So I've drawn the heart shape. Now let me just shape it roughly. Then I'm going to trim off. I'm not going to, you can after cutting the shape, whatever shape you want to put, you can go ahead and use your gum stay, not press pad or stay, your normal gum stay you use for your clothes. You can iron it on it so it will be thick before you now fold the edges and put. Or if you have a machine that can sew zigzag, then there will be no need for you to fold the edges. Just use your zigzag stitch to attach it directly on the middle of your throw pillow. So that you do that, or you use gum. You make use of Hue gum or the E6000 to place it at the middle of your the fabric you want to use for the throw pillow. Okay, I'm going to sew it because it's a throw pillow. When people use it, they rest their head on it. So just imagine you resting your head on a throw pillow, and when you get up, the middle piece of it pulls off alongside your head. So I just prefer to sew it so that there will be no fear of it coming off. I'm just going to cut the heart. Then I'm going to cut something like triangles that I'm going to put at the edges. That's the angles of the bag. Sorry, the angles of the the throw pillow. Okay, I'm so used to saying bag, so just trim off. Okay, we have our heart shape. This is going to be placed at the middle of the throw pillow. Okay, it's going to look like this, the middle of our throw pillow. Okay, so now I'm going to cut out the triangles that I want to be at the edge. You can place your fabric on the edge, one of the edges, and then you measure out where you want it to get to and your seam allowance, and then you just cut out the fabric and use it to cut out 3 others to make it 4 triangles for your 4 edges. Okay, this is how deep I want it to look. Just my seam allowance, so I'm just going to cut it off now and then use it to cut out 3 other that I'm going to place on the edges.